Understanding the effect of bioactive compounds from Spirogyra sp. in reducing the proteolysis. Viability in vitro compared with albendazole drug. By Hadi M. Almaili and Haider M. Alkabi. Hydatid cyst disease, HCD, or cystic echinococcosis, CE, is a serious and important zoonotic disease. In the 7th decade of the 20th century, researchers aimed to use benzimidazole and its derivatives such as albendazole, ABZ, mebendazole, MBZ, fenbendazole, and other drugs as a treatment for hydatid cysts disease, but 30% aqueous has completely treated Andazole Alps, while 40 to 50% have responded after a short period of treatment. Then the effects of this treatment appeared in the body, especially when used for a long time. This study aims to analyze the effect of bioactive compounds extracted from green algae Spirogyra sp. in reducing the proteolysis viability in vitro compared with albendazole drug. The crude alcoholic extract of Spirogyra sp. algae with concentrations 250, 500, and 1000 mg/ml and albendazole with concentrations 250, 500, 1000 mg/ml effects was studied in the viability of proteolysis in vitro, the viability of the proteolysis in 10 microliters, and the 3 replicates calculated in the fixed size method. There were no significant differences in the first 3 treatments, 0, 24, 48 hours, whereas the coefficients of 72 to 144 hours showed significant differences. The mean St plus or minus viability of the proteolysis at the highest rate at treatment at 0 hours, 33 plus or minus 5.29 proteolysis, while the mean of the proteolysis dropped to the lowest ratio at 144 to 14 plus or minus 1 proteolysis. While the mean S.D plus or minus mean of the proteolysis viability of the treatments 24 to 120 hours between 31.33 plus or minus 1.5 to 16.66 plus or minus 1.5 to proteolysis. The total number of proteolysis ranged from 177 to 193. The average number of live proteolysis ranged between 170 to 177 proteolysis 100L, while the number of dead proteolysis ranged from 6 to 16 proteolysis 100L. 69 chemical compounds were extracted from the crude alcoholic extract of Spirogyra sp. Varied between phenols, terpenes, fatty acids, hydrocarbons, and heterocyclic compounds. The results of this study showed a decrease in the percentage of the viability of the proteolysis when exposed to the concentrations of the crude alcoholic extract of Spirogyra sp. The concentration of 250 mg per milliliter resulted in a decrease in the percentage of proteolysis from 90 to 0.75 plus or minus 0.62 at 0 hours to 27.06 plus or minus 0.48 at 144 hours compared with the control group, 76.56 plus or minus 0.79. While the concentration of 500 mg per milliliter decreased from 90 to 0.59 plus or minus 0.58 per hour to 0.14 plus or minus 0.25% at 144 hours compared with the control group, while the concentration was 1000 mg/ml has led to the killing of all proteolysis at 144 hours compared with the control group. The results of used albendazole drug showed significant differences. Concentrations reduced the percentage of viability of proteolysis. When exposed to 250 mg/ml, the result was a decrease from 93.75 plus or minus 0.77 at 0 hour to 4.15 plus or minus 0.36 at 144 hours, while the concentration of 500 mg per milliliter reduced the percentage from 48 plus or minus 0.85 at 0 hour to 0. 0.4 plus or minus 0.48 at 144 hours, while the concentration of 1000 milligrams per milliliter resulted in the killing of all protoscolosis indications at 120 hours compared to 0 hour, where the percentage of viability of protoscolosis was 45.5 plus or minus 0.98. The results of this study showed a similar effect of a Spirogyra sp extract and an albendazole drug on the viability of the protoscolosis with increased concentration and duration of exposure to the drug or alcoholic extract. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.